Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate AI text effect in CapCut PC. Go to text and go to the AI generated section and type in what you want to type. I'm just going to type in 1980, and I'm also going to change the font here as well. Then I'm going to describe what I want the effect to be. I'm just going to type in balloon, red, yellow, green, retro, fun. Then I'm going to select generate, and it's going to generate a font here for me. It does take a few seconds to really generate, as you can see. And to add it, you're just going to press this apply button here. And that is pretty much how you can generate it. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!